Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen upgrade that promises to make your cooking and cleaning experience smoother and more efficient. We found the Moen Weymouth Touchless Kitchen Faucet with voice control, and we've included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about this smart faucet. The Moen Weymouth is not just any kitchen faucet, it's a state-of-the-art device that combines advanced technology with practical functionality. This faucet features touchless operation, voice control, and a pull-down sprayer, all designed to enhance your kitchen tasks. What sets the Moen Weymouth apart is its 4 methods of operation. You can choose to activate it through advanced sensor control, voice activation via a smart speaker, the Moen Smart Water App, or the traditional handle. This flexibility means you can mix and match how you use the faucet, regardless of the handle position. One of the standout features is the advanced sensor technology located at the front of the faucet. With simple hand motions, you can control the temperature and water flow without ever having to touch the faucet. For instance, swiping your hand left activates hot water, while swiping right gives you cold. Need warm water? Just swipe down. You can even hold your hand over the sensor to turn off the water. This touchless functionality is not only convenient but also promotes cleanliness in your kitchen. Another impressive feature is the customizable voice commands through the Moen Smart Water App. You can personalize generic terms like hot, cold, and warm to your preference. Additionally, the app allows you to set safety and security features to ensure water usage is managed properly. The faucet also includes an LED temperature indicator that changes colors from blue to purple to red, giving you a visual cue of the water's temperature. This is especially helpful for families with children, as it minimizes the risk of accidental scalding. In terms of performance, the Moen Weymouth precisely dispenses water at the desired temperatures and volumes, whether you need just a couple of tablespoons or a full 15 gallons. When you give a temperature command, the faucet runs until it reaches the selected temperature, then pauses until you're ready to activate it. This means no more wasting water while you wait for it to reach the perfect temperature. The Moen Smart Water App also provides insights into your water usage, helping you understand your daily consumption habits. This feature is great for those looking to monitor their water usage and promote more sustainable habits in the kitchen. Now, who is this faucet suitable for? The Moen Weymouth is perfect for busy families, tech enthusiasts, and anyone looking to modernize their kitchen. If you often juggle multiple tasks or have kids helping out in the kitchen, this faucet can simplify your routine. It's also an excellent choice for those who value cleanliness, as the touchless feature minimizes the spread of germs. Practical use cases for this faucet are endless. Imagine preparing meals while your hands are covered in flour, simply swipe for water without needing to touch the faucet. Or perhaps you're filling a large pot for pasta, just command the faucet to dispense the exact amount of water you need. The 4-function pull-down spray wand with power boost technology makes cleaning dishes and filling containers faster and more efficient. In conclusion, the Moen Weymouth Touchless Kitchen Faucet with voice control is a remarkable addition to any kitchen, blending advanced technology with practical design. Its user-friendly features and customizable options make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.